What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything, and leave your comments down below. So yesterday I left the middle of Missouri, headed out towards Kansas City, Missouri, and then headed north up through Omaha, past Sioux City. I'm just past Sioux City, actually, over the South Dakota border. I stopped here at a rest stop after about 8 hours worth of driving. So I was really tired. So me and Princess needed a break. So we stopped for the night, and so yeah, we're at this rest area. Cool, awesome little teepee that was constructed. Now we're heading up north towards Sioux Falls. Just an update, we made it here to, I believe, Belvedere, South Dakota. Pulled off at a rest area. We're about 2 hours away from Mount Rushmore National Memorial. So we're gonna go try to check that out possibly tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get a good night's sleep. I checked, and it's about 9-hour drive from here to Yellowstone. So I don't think I'll be able to make it out to there tomorrow, but I'm definitely going to try to check out Mount Rushmore and then, drive through the Rockies. I drove about 3 hours or so, 3 or 4 hours to come out here, middle of nowhere. I'm actually in the mountain time zone now, so I'm 2 hours behind the East Coast where I started. It was really flat for a while, and then I started to get into hills, like rolling hills. And the scenery is just breathtaking, and that's more or less the reason why I'm doing this whole trip anyway. So we're gonna try to get out to Mount Rushmore National Memorial tomorrow, check that out, and then head out towards Wyoming, and then try to find a place in Wyoming to spend the night before we're heading to Yellowstone. All right, I'll see you there. Finally made it to Mount Rushmore National Memorial. Parked in the RV parking. All right, let's check out the sights. been an interesting last few days, actually. So after visiting Mount Rushmore, we drove into Wyoming and stayed outside of a small town of Moorcroft, a town of about 800 people. We stayed in a rest area 2 nights ago. Then woke up that morning and Princess was just not herself. Actually, I'll show you. Still not quite herself. I wound up leaving the rest area in Moorcroft yesterday morning and drove out to Gillette, Wyoming, where I took her to the vet, had her checked out. Turns out she actually has a dental disease due to her teeth, and we got an antibiotic for that I'm giving her. After that, we went west and got here to Cody. After leaving the vet in Gillette, Wyoming, we drove west through the most breathtaking scenery and terrain. I don't even know. It's just, words can't describe the beauty that I saw. So after that drive, we wound up in Cody, Wyoming, where I currently am now. Last night we stayed at a spot off of the main road. So today, which is a Saturday, actually, I'm here to, I'm going to stay around in Cody for the day. I'm going to get a shower, do some laundry, go shopping, get all my supplies that I need to head out west a little bit more. So then Sunday, hopefully in the morning, we're going to wake up, go out to Yellowstone, check out a little bit of Yellowstone, especially Old Faithful. From there, I'm going to hightail it through Idaho to get through the smoke as quickly as I can to jump into Oregon. Therefore, we will be able to breathe a little bit easier. Apparently, out here in Cody, it's yellow on the air quality, but the smoke really isn't too horrible. Last night, I did smell burning, but the winds are pretty high up here, so we'll see what happens.